History Month ngayon Pebrero at sentro sa pelikulang Village Keeper ang kwento ng isang Black Canadian family. Ang co-producer ng nasabing pelikula, isang Pilipino.
I had no idea gaano kalaki yung film industry and how booming it is dito sa Canada, and I've been fortunate na nakilala ko ng mga tao na mabait and binibigyan ako ng opportunity.
Ipinagmamalaki ng Filipino filmmaker na si Enrique Baniqued ang Village Keeper, kauna-unahang pelikulang na co-produce niya sa Canada.
Other kids' parents won't press charges because they caught their kid in a lie. No, you can't go anywhere. You're going to stand right there.
So Village Keeper is about a mom that's familiar to a lot of us in the sense that she's always giving things away, but we meet her in the middle of a mental health crisis. And she has nothing else to give away. She realizes that she has to fill her cup in order to offer to her children and to herself.
The most common thing people have gotten back to us about is para siya naging therapy para sa tao. Like for people who have seen it, like people come up and tell us na, thank you for making this because this is something I've actually have a hard time talking to my family about.
Nabuo ang pelikula noong 2023 na kinunan sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Toronto.
It was a really wonderful opportunity for us to kind of to show a lot of different the range, I think, when it comes to like being an immigrant in somewhere else and creating a home.
Ngayon Black History Month, tila nagsilbing love letter daw ang Village Keeper para sa mga kababaihan at ina sa komunidad.
I try to remember that there's so many women that are invisible, so many Black women that are invisible, and just finding new ways that we can encourage them to take extra time for themselves, because they may not take it if we don't encourage them to.
Submitted for consideration para sa 16 na kategorya sa Canadian Screen Awards ang Village Keeper. Balak din daw nilang ipalabas ang pelikula sa Cineplex Theatre sa Canada sa susunod na buwan.
We will be screening this March 1st and 2nd at Kingston Canadian Film Festival. We'll be in the GEMS Vancouver Film Festival for the second week of March. We'll be playing at the Ottawa Film Festival on March 22nd, and we're also lining up a screening with the Calgary Black Film Festival for May.